Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dogg, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, I got something real good for you guys today. I'm going to be using leftovers. And with these leftovers, I'm going to be making you the best turkey salad sandwich in the world. So tune in, and I'm going to be showing you these ingredients. Let's get it. Okay guys, I am back. Alright, now first thing you're going to need, this is some cheddar cheese. I have a half a cup of cheddar cheese. Not even really a half a cup, I say a third cup of cheddar cheese. And I have a half a cup of mayo, which is Miracle Whip. I have a half a cup of chopped finely celery stalk, or celery, okay? And I have a half a cup of red grapes. That's what these is. I chopped them in fours, all right? And they taste delicious. All right, you're gonna need some turkey. This right here, I already weighed it out. That's what this is. I weighed it on there, and it was like 2.5 pounds. Go ahead and do it again. Make sure, so you guys know how much you need. Yep, 2.5. Alright, I'm gonna use this white pepper. I was gonna use this garlic and this onion powder. I'm not gonna use that because there's a lot of seasoning in that turkey. I made this for Thanksgiving, and what all I didn't use, I just kept right here, and then I took the other part, put it in another Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna probably make a soup or something with that. Alright, you're gonna need some brioche buns. Right here, you can see that. Oops, excuse me. Some Dijon mustard. That's like a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. No, that's a tablespoon Dijon mustard. And this is a teaspoon of lemon juice. I have a third cup of green onions. And right here is neon relish, okay? This is just sweet relish. I ran out of the regular relish, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use that. I'll show you the bottle to that. I normally use this for like my my Chicago hot dogs. So this is what it is right here, by Vienna. All right. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our meat. Take this off there, move this around, put this down here. You're going to also need a spoon and a knife to chop up, okay? So this is all you're going to do. Show you that, you see how good and juicy that is. If you got any excess fat or anything like that on it, just take that off. Just chop this up, just like this. Now, of course, when you mix it, it's going to be, you know, it's going to mix up pretty well. So that's all you want to do with this. So just chop it up real fine. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of this off the camera, and then show you guys how it looks. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. This turkey is amazing. I'm not going to make that for you guys one day. I wanted to do it for Thanksgiving, but I couldn't do it. I didn't have a lot of time. I had to do all the cooking myself. So let's get back to the ingredients that we need to put in there. Okay, I'm going to start out with these grapes. That's plenty. See? I'm going to eat that one. That was good. With some celery. Now, I'm not going to put these onions in there. You can put them in yours. I'm going to put it on my sandwich. I would have put that in there, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take this relish. And you can take the cheese. And we come with our mail. I'm telling you, I wanted to eat this turkey, just make sandwiches. I said, no, let me do something for my peoples. And this is, I'm not going to lie to you, this is the first time I'm making this. I've never made a chicken sandwich before or a turkey salad dressing. I mean salad. So, but I know it's going to taste good. Because once again, I know flavors. Here our Dijon mustard. Put that in there. It's almost like a gourmet type of salad. So put the little lemon juice in there. Now I did have to squeeze some of this juice and stuff out of this turkey because you know when I cooked it, I put like a stick of butter in it, and I always cook mine on its breast sides first overnight. Get some of this pepper. This is white pepper. This is like really powdery, like. And this would be very fantastic for someone that's like wraps and stuff like that, like leaf wraps. Then you want to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for about a good hour. Just like you do the tuna salad or whatever. You can serve it up right then and there if you want to. But I'm going to let mine chill for about like a good hour. And then put these bad boys on this bun. Show you guys how it looks. So far, that's what we got. Okay. So, Chef Alec Curtis. Just presentation is key, bro. Anytime you cook, I know you just cooking for the family, but if you get, have good habits of doing it, trust me. Oh my goodness! I told you I know flavors. That tastes amazing. Oh my! Oh Lord, shut up! I'm gonna be quiet. So here's what I want you to do. You make a potato salad. Take your paper towel. Go around the edges like this. Just like this, boss. We Scorpios, man. I'm looking out for you just like you're gonna look out for me. I ain't knocking you or nothing. So don't take it personally. I'm just showing you something. And you probably already know it, but just for future reference. See that? That looks better. Looks a whole lot. It makes a big difference when it looks a little bit better. See how that looks? Just clean it up, bro. You know what I'm saying? And I want to give a shout out to my homegirl, Keisha. You guys go over there and check her out. I will be when I edit it, it'll be up there. I'm gonna put Chef Alec Curtis up there. Put a little bit more of this pepper on there. That tastes amazing. I should call it an amazing turkey salad sandwich, but it's it's not that, because it is the best. It's almost like a gourmet turkey salad. Okay. See you guys in a minute, about a half an hour after. I mean about an hour when this get done. All right. Okay, guys, I am back, and this cooling off for about 45 minutes. My son got hungry, so I couldn't wait the full hour. So here it is right here. The best ever turkey salad sandwich. And you better believe it, it's the best. I'm not lying to you guys. And I just want to add, now if you want to make your own turkey, then you may want to put a little seasoning in it. It just depends on what you did to your turkey. Mine have plenty of seasoning, loaded ton with flavors, so I didn't need to add any seasoning into that. But these is it right here. I hope you guys enjoy it and make these dishes. Until next time, I see you guys in Vell Dogg's kitchen, where we be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, see you next time. Let's get cooking.